Is Discord reverting their rebrand? Preparing this video has been confusing because I keep undoing and redoing their changes. Anyway, on the Discord website, as I was preparing this video, I noticed that the logo and the branding have been reverted. So obviously right now it's the new design, but if I go on the Wayback Machine, that's a website where you can like view an old capture of a website, so you can view a cached version. Basically it's a time machine. But this snapshot here, this capture was taken from May 27th. So when I'm recording this video, it's May 30th, and I checked yesterday and the design looked like this. But as you can see, the logo up here is the old one, and this slogan here, your place to talk, that is also the old one, because now it's imagine a place, I think. So again, the old Discord logo is up here, and this whole page itself is the old design. These waves actually animate, someone noticed. Yes, the old Discord logos are here, even the old colours are. So this clearly is an old capture of the website that they reverted back to. I'm showing you these captures because they literally, as you can see if I go on discord.com, it's clearly the new design. So you may be wondering what's going on. First I was confused why they're doing this, because the rebrand has only been out for like 2 weeks now. So if you're not a fan of the new rebrand, there's a chance we will go back in time and get the old design back.
That sounds good.
But we have yet to see a confirmation on that. So this person on the subreddit of Discord tweeted at, or found a tweet, someone asking the lead designer of Discord about the fact that they brought back the old logo and typeface on the website. And in the designer's response they said it's just a temporary website experimental test. So in my mind they're just testing what people prefer. But even though this is saying that it's not official, that doesn't mean it won't be official. Who knows, it might be. Perhaps they'll go back to the old design, or maybe they won't. At the very least, they seem to be considering it, because they're testing around with it, so they clearly care about the old design. I'm guessing they just haven't decided on if they want to go back or keep it how it is yet. But in the days to come, I'm sure we'll see what their plans are. Here are some more screenshots of people that have also seen the old design. This was from 6 days ago. And by the way, I was only using the May 29th capture as an example. It actually went back before that. So the website wasn't reverted for like 2 minutes. I actually kept it there for a few days. It's only as I was recording this video, obviously they have to go back to the new design, so just to make it confusing. But at least it's officially confirmed that it's a test, rather than a mistake or something like that. So it was intentional, just not final. So I'm not sure exactly what the design was right before they changed it to the new one, like on May 12th or whatever, when they changed the design to the new one. I'm not sure if the page looked exactly like this. I don't know, because they keep changing the website, so I can't really keep up, to be honest. So we'll just have to see what they do with the design. That's it for this video. Leave your thoughts in the comments, and until next time, goodbye.